How to create a stunning succulent garden. Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of succulent gardens. Succulents are known for their unique shapes and colors, and they're perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a stunning succulent garden of your own. Choosing the right succulents. Host. The first step in creating your succulent garden is selecting the right plants. Look for a mix of colors, sizes, and textures to create an eye-catching display. Preparing the container. Now, let's prepare our container. Make sure it has proper drainage holes to prevent overwatering. Fill the bottom with a layer of small rocks or pebbles to aid drainage. Soil mix. Next, use a well-draining succulent potting mix. You can easily find this mix at your local garden center. Avoid using regular garden soil as it can retain too much moisture, which can harm your succulents. Planting the succulents. Time to get our hands dirty. Gently remove the succulents from their nursery pots and loosen the roots if they're tightly bound. Arrange them in the container, leaving enough space between each plant for growth. Filling the gaps. Once the succulents are in place, fill any gaps with the potting mix. Be careful not to cover the succulent's leaves, as this could lead to rot. Designing and decorations. Now comes the fun part, adding some flair to our garden. You can add decorative rocks, pebbles, or even small figurines to enhance the visual appeal. Watering host, holding a watering can. Watering is crucial for succulents. Be sure to give them a good soak, but let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can be harmful to succulents, so it's best to water sparingly. Sunlight and care. Lastly, find a sunny spot for your succulent garden. Succulents love bright light and thrive in sunlight. Remember to rotate the container occasionally so all sides of the plants receive equal light. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe this channel for more gardening videos.